Hi everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today I'm doing a demonstration on the Bellucci Slim Caffe. This is a compact, easy to use, bean to cup automatic coffee machine. It offers espresso, coffee, Americano, and hot water. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, as always, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell at the top. In today's demo, I'm going to show you the components of the machine. I'll show you the main features, as well as making each beverage with the machine. What does this machine come with? Instruction booklets, a cleaning brush, we have a small little cleaning cloth, and there's a few descaling packets. With today's demonstration, we're going to be using our Super Crema non-oily beans. The Bellucci Slim Caffe is a very compact machine, so great for countertop areas where you have some limited space as it takes up minimal kitchen real estate. The machine can prepare straight black coffee, so wonderful for black coffee drinkers. The machine features a built-in low-noise stainless steel burr coffee grinder. The unit also has a stainless steel boiler, and the machine features a 19-bar pressure. This is an overview of the machine. We have an adjustable coffee spout here. This is the drip tray that can be removed. You can also remove the drip tray and put a larger, taller cup. On the side over here is where you can access the brewing unit. And once a week, you can simply remove this and rinse it under the sink just to clean it off and reinsert it. This is an overview of the control panel, which sits just on top of the machine. Our on-off button, strong coffee button, mild coffee button, Americano, favorite coffee button, and hot water. For all of these, you can program the volume. It will range between 25 mils to 250 mils. Coffee grinder sits right over here, and we're gonna just top it up with our Super Crema beans. Behind the coffee grinder is the water tank. We're gonna go ahead and prepare a strong espresso. We're going to prepare a mild coffee. To accommodate a larger cup size, simply remove the drip tray, put the coffee spout up as far as it can go, and now you can accommodate a larger cup size. This is going to be wonderful for our Americano. And as you can see, it brewed coffee first, and then it brewed a separate portion of hot water, allowing you to achieve an authentic Americano. You can also achieve plain hot water with the unit. The favorite beverage icon is the coffee cup with the heart in the center. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and program your favorite beverage. You're going to hold this icon down for 2 seconds. Your beverage options are going to be right over here, and they will be flashing. The next step is to choose which beverage you want as your favorite beverage. I'm going to go ahead and select a strong espresso. Now, once it starts to brew, we have to hold this down again until the volume is where we want it to be. And then once you release your finger, it will beep twice. That means the programming is complete for the favorite beverage icon. We're gonna go ahead now and brew our favorite beverage, which is going to be a strong, long espresso. I've had an absolute blast demonstrating the Bellucci Slim Caffe compact machine, bean to cup, automatic, prepares black coffees, and is so user-friendly. If you are looking for milk-based beverages, you can always pair the Bellucci milk frother with the machine. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to one of our team members or leave a question in the comments below. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Thank you so much for joining in on this demonstration.